Welcome to Chit Chats Tutorials. When you have 10 or more shipments ready to be dropped off or picked up, create a batch to group shipments and print a single label with one barcode.
This helps Chit Chats process your shipments more efficiently. There are two ways you can batch your shipments. Any orders imported from your store are always automatically added to a new batch unless you select a specific batch number. Or you can manually select a group of shipments in the Pending tab and click Batch at the bottom of the page. To view all batches you created, click Batches in the sidebar menu. Each batch has a number assigned to it. Click the batch number to see the shipments in that batch. All shipments need to be purchased and ready in order to print your batch label. Click Print Batch Label. If you have a label printer set up, such as a Zebra printer, click Print Label. Or click Download to generate a PDF and print the label using a standard desktop printer. The batch label will show the batch number, your client ID, the total weight, and the number of shipments for each mail service. After consolidating your packages into a single box or bag, attach your batch label to it. Remember to verify that the number of shipments on the batch label match the actual number of shipments in your box or bag. It's important to note, if you're using one of our drop spot locations, you always need to batch your shipments. To learn more, visit support.chitchats.com or contact our client support team directly at support@chitchats.com.